What's going on, everyone? It is Will with Very Great Software, and if you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting that like bell, dislike button, comment, do whatever you want with the video. Even tell your friends about it. Do whatever you want. But in this video, we're going to be including Google's Materialize CSS framework into our website. So let's dive deep into that. Google Materialize. So let's go look this thing up here. Alright, so let's go to getting started, and then we're just going to be using their CDN. And then we'll also need this tag, this meta tag. Get rid of all of this jazz, all these extra characters that we do not need. Alright, so we are importing the cascading style sheet here from Materialize, and also importing their JavaScript file to make things reactive and just make it look pretty good. So if you guys don't remember, you guys haven't watched the first video, go watch the first video, because that's me going over the overview of how I'm doing this entire project. Today we're just going over Materialize, and please stick around until the end. If you don't stick around until the end, you're not going to see the next video. You want to see all the videos. If we go to CSS, or if we go to components, I believe, yeah, and then go to Navbar. Let's see here. Yeah, so it's going to look something like this. We don't need the logo, so we can actually just grab this code. Yeah, so if we copy in our nav stuff here, and then do select and then do, yep. Aha, it does work. Okay, cool. Yeah, so you guys should download this, convert HTML to Pug. I was just going to use a website, but of course there's an extension for like everything, just like how there's an app for everything on your phone. So let's put this one on the top of our body, and then we're not going to have our logo. We are going to have, however, these three things, but instead it's going to be YouTube, and then courses. What else did I say was going to be in my navbar? I can't remember. Projects, courses. Projects. And courses. So yeah, the next course I'm going to be creating is about Chrome extensions. I don't know when I'm going to be releasing that, because I need to get my website out there first. I need to get this out there up and running. And then as I'm creating videos and as I have more free time throughout the day, I actually need to like structure out my courses. So I'm going to be creating quite a few. Hopefully I can make a little bit more side money from that. So yeah, if we save that, I had moved this up one level. Save that. Yep, so that's what I needed to do. I just needed to indent this here. I did not see the indent. I am tired because I stayed up late last night working on a production issue for work, and wasn't able to, this is Wednesday, I wasn't able to upload to Tuesday. I'm starting a new schedule now where I do Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, so just letting you guys know that. So now I'm on a set schedule. We'll do parentheses and then say style is equal to background, kind of do what we did inside the browser here. Do background is equal to that color. Or is it isn't like, yeah, transparent. That's the one. Okay, so I forgot I wanted to do a very minimal navbar, so we're gonna make this transparent. And I think that's it. So if we refresh, oh, and then get rid of the box shadow. So box shadow none, and then the -- webkit box shadow. Set that to none as well. Okay, and then just actually see what we're actually making. We are going to be having style of background. Our background is going to be that. Just for the time being, it probably won't be gray. And then it could be, I feel like it could be a little bit bigger. So let's go into our nav bar. Alright, so good to know that I have to do this for each of the A tags within the list. Part of my website is going to be kind of giving away a free guide to everything, so look out for that in the future. But if we go to embed here, and looks like we can just use this just JavaScript. So we're going to place this JavaScript right here. Oh man. And this is pretty easy to just... Okay. Have that saved and maybe it'll pop up. No? Aha. Cool. Alright, so you're probably wondering how this just showed up out of nowhere. So like I already stated, I think I already stated before, is I'm using ConvertKit. ConvertKit's a really nice tool for just having like a little module pop up whenever someone visits your site, and then when they can give you your email address, and you can use their email address for when you want to send out you know, like a daily update of something, or if you want to send them updates on your application, whatever it may be. And actually, I think I'm going to add back that logo and just have it be on the left-hand side. So if we grab this thing here, actually I'll just grab everything out the logo and then put that right after the nav wrapper, and then have this be our image. So if we just do image, just include an image, source being assets logo.png. Our alt is going to be logo, and don't really care about source set. That should make it work. It does make it work, but we obviously need to tone this down a bit because it's quite excessive. Yeah, so we'll do that. What we'll do is, like we already said, we will have the height be 60 pixels, and then we will go and have the padding actually be something a little bit denser, so we'll do 6 pixels. Refresh that.